Japan. One-way ticket, wala nang babalik. Gathering an average score. Uulitin ko kung sino yung pangalan na sasabihin ko, sila po ang champion. Ang hindi ko mapanggitin, first runner-up. Gathering an average score of 93.8%.